Hi, this is Dave Lorenzo with RainmakerLawyer.com, and today we're going to talk about your client orientation system. Now, I know many of you are thinking, boy, I don't even know what that means, a client orientation system, and I'll outline it for you. It is simply the 5-step process that a client has to walk through in order to do business with you. So, step 1 in your client orientation system is the rule that clients must make appointments before they see you, and those appointments should be qualifying interviews, if you will, conducted by your business manager. Now, you heard the term business manager, and I know you're thinking, boy, I don't have one of those. I'm sure you have a paralegal or a receptionist who answers the phone in your office. Well, a business manager is someone who is just schooled in the art of managing the processes and the systems that are in place in your law firm that enable you to focus on what you do best. So, your business manager answers the phone and they interview the prospective client. And what they're looking for is they're looking for 3 things. They're looking for a problem you can solve. The client has to have a problem you can solve. They're looking for money. The client has to have money in order to engage you. And they're looking for the ability to make a decision. The client has to be able to make a decision, yes or no, when they come into your office to see you. So the interview over the phone before the appointment is made is looking for those 3 things. Once we have those 3 things and an appointment is made, a consultation fee is paid in advance. Now, it is not important to me whether the consultation fee is $50 or $500. The fee is important in that it blocks your time on your calendar and it ensures that either the client will show up or you will keep the fee. At the end of the day, 90% of your clients will show up if they pay a consultation fee. It also positions you in a status of being an expert. Doctors don't see people without getting a consultation fee. You shouldn't see a person without getting a consultation fee either. The 3rd step is the application for representation. So the client is sitting in your waiting room. They should be given an application to fill out. And that application should include all relevant information about them, almost as if you're going to do a background check on them. Because if you're going to represent them and they're going to be your client, you need to know as much information as you can about them. And the 4th step, which is part and parcel with the application for representation, is references. If your potential client cannot find 3 people to say that they are a good person, I don't care who the references are. It could be their mother. It could be their clergy member. You want to get 3 references from a client because you want to know who you're dealing with. Everyone on the planet should be able to provide at least 3 people who will vouch for them as a decent, upstanding human being. You want to check those references as well before you agree to represent them. Then the final step is the fee discussion. Now, the fee discussion takes place after they meet with you, the attorney, and my recommendation always is the fee discussion is handled by a 3rd party. And in your case, you could use your business manager, the person who answered the phone. You could use an accountant. You could use another paralegal. You can use an associate that works in your office. Bottom line is, attorneys should not have direct fee discussions themselves with their clients because you're emotionally invested in getting the engagement and you're emotionally invested in the money that you make. It's much, much easier for a 3rd party, a quote-unquote disinterested 3rd party, to negotiate your fee rather than having you do it yourself. So that's the 5-step client orientation system that I go through with my clients. I recommend you do the same, and if you do, you'll find that the quality of your clients is better and your fees are much, much higher. My name is Dave Lorenzo, and for more great law firm marketing and business management tips like these, you can find me at RainmakerLawyer.com. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day.